And come and tell us, young man, a little bit about your machine.
Basically, I bought it for a friend who was a member of one of the Ducati clubs in Italy, and it's basically gone from the factory in 2001 and then racing the 2002 Ducati Cup, which is run alongside the Italian Superbike series. And I bought it, it had been stored for about 8 years and just sort of left in the corner of a workshop, sort of part dismantled. Bought it and we put it back together and we do a few parades and sessions and events like this really.
So it's purely just for fun. Obviously these are great bikes in all fairness. I believe same chassis as the 916.
Yeah, same as the 916. And there was a 24 bike series in 2002. Some of the bikes were bought, some of them were hired from the factory, and this is the only one that's actually left out the original 24 bikes.
Cool, flipping heck. And obviously, you know, raced by the factory team as well at World Supersport.
Yeah, it was very similar to a World Supersport spec, raced by a Greek Superbike champion. You probably know yourself, Stavros Stavroulakis. He raced this in that season, and then he won the World Enduro Championship, and he also raced in World Superbikes as well.
So.